Hello guys, good morning. This is Jess again, your trusted real estate broker. So for today's video guys, naata diri karon sa Santa Cruz Viejo, Tanhay City, diri sa La Prima Homes, Tanhay, ang pinakabag-ong subdivision nga gi-develop ni Primary Homes Incorporated. At banglang gyud ta guys sa Lourdes Ledesma High School and along the highway lang ta, so walay problema sa transportation. So, maalang ni siya guys sa mga 7 to 10 minutes to Tanhay City proper and Bai City. So, this is our model house for duplex. Lot area starts at 72 square meters and floor area is 41 square meters up and down. So, pareha lang gid siya og floor area ni townhouse. So basically guys, upon turnover sa inyong unit, wala pa tayo floor tiles o room partition. So maka full customize pagid mo sa inyong unit guys, depende kung unsa ang inyong ipa-improve. So diri sa second floor guys, atong model house gihimo ni siya nga duha ka rooms. So depende na ninyo puhon guys kung pila ka room ang inyong himuon. Just message us on how to avail a unit here at La Prima Homes, Tanhay City.